My goodness. The boy does have amazing hair.
We know.
We just need to find him.
Then we must look at the clues.
We don't have any clues.
Wrong, sir. See this? Notice this stain?
Is it ketchup?
No. This is more like a barbecue sauce with the tang of pineapple. This stain was made by donkey sauce.
Donkey sauce? The only place that has donkey sauce is, Aloha Burger.
Correct.
So, you're saying if we happen to find a donkey eating a hamburger, then Dice is somewhere in Hawaii?
Okay, this girl makes Gibby seem like a genius.
Just tell us where Dice is.
We really can't know for sure. But the perfect place to hide a person would be in an abandoned house. And within 1 mile of Aloha Burger, there are 3 abandoned houses.
How do you know?
I'm studying for my junior real estate license.
All right.
There is 1 abandoned house on Crosby Street, 1 on Stills Lane, and 1 on Nash Avenue. Look in those houses 3, and your friend Dice you shall see.
Oh my god, I think he's rapping.
Rapping? Yo.
Great, we just need to check out those 3 vacant houses on Crosby, Stills, and Nash.
Let's hurry.
Wait!
What, Neville?
A question.
Yeah?
How come we never heard anything about Carly's mother?
All right. Hey! Hey, girl! I'm getting hungry!
Hello, Dice. How's the hole?
Can I get a sandwich or something?
All right.
Whatever sandwich you got, tuna salad, peanut butter, I just need food.
Look at the basket.
Hair conditioner?
It puts the conditioner in its hair if it wants a sandwich.
What?
It puts the conditioner in its hair if it wants a sandwich.
Who's it? You're it. I have a name.
It puts the conditioner in its hair or else it gets the hose again.
Oh man, again with the hose. It puts the conditioner in its hair or else it gets the hose again. I'm not putting this conditioner in my hair. Ugh, that tears it. Ugh. You know you're just wasting hoses.
You listen to me, Desidio. Oh dear. Someone's at the door.
Wait! It's still hungry!
Hello, girl. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm Cat Valentine.
Oh, that's neat.
My friend Sam is on another street nearby checking out another house.
Is she?
Yeah, are you Nora?
Oh no, I'm Noreen.
Noreen. Is that with 6 R's or 5?
I have to go now.
Wait! Have you seen my friend Dice?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Oh wait. Is he the little young person with great big fat hair?